Hello, let's talk about Hik-connect on Mac. As you can see, I have a MacBook Pro and also a PC. They are running a web browser and I have the image of the camera. So basically here, this Hikvision camera is connected to the switch, which also is connected to a router and to my computer. So my MacBook Pro connects via Wi-Fi to the router, which is connected to the switch here, and everybody is basically in the same network. So here I have this box where the camera is pointed to. As you can see, when I move here, I can see via web browser. So the idea now is to run the Hik-connect app here on a Mac. It runs the same way that runs on iPhone, for example, okay? So first thing that you have to do using your PC, your Mac, it doesn't matter. You need to enable the Hik-connect here on the camera. So you come to the configuration and here on network, advanced settings, you need to look for platform access, and here you can enable, right? So you select here Hik-connect, enable it, hit OK here, and you need to create a verification code, right? You insert the verification code here and save. So that's the first step. Then you have now the Hik-connect enabled on the camera. And now the next step is just to go here to the Apple Store and look for Hik-connect. Just type here Hik-connect. Let me just type so you can see when I look for Hik-connect, already shows up here. And then brings this one, the Hik-connect for end user. I already have installed here. If you don't, you just need to install it. Click open. And here you go. I need to add a new device. So here we go. I need to read the QR code here from the camera. So I just point here on the camera on my Mac. Put it back here in place and add the camera. Type here the verification code. And the adding is completed. So pretty easy. Click next, save, and click here on the camera, and it's ready, right? So basically running here, as you can see, I can move my hand in front of the camera, and it's working using the Hik-connect here on my Mac. So very easy, you just need to enable on the camera via PC or via Mac, doesn't matter. Install the Hik-connect. Of course, you need to create your account, log in to the Hik-connect account if you don't have one. And then you just need to add a new camera and read the QR code using the Mac's camera, or you need to insert the serial code of the camera manually, right? So that's all. That's the way you can have the Hik-connect on Mac. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.